Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an exact copycat of the Starbucks loaf cake. So now you don't need to spend a lot of money on this amazing loaf cake. You can just make it at home. So let's get started. All you need to do is take a bowl, add 2 eggs. They can be of room temperature. Then add half cup of sugar. With that I've mixed 1 lemon zest. So I've taken a whole lemon and removed the zest and mixed it with the sugar. Then I've added half cup of yogurt, and now I'm going to give it a nice mix. I'm using the whisk and going to beat it with the beater. So I've used the big KitchenAid machine, but you can use the regular whisk. Just whisk it for around 2 minutes. It won't be frothy, but you can just mix it. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any oil, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've taken half cup of almond flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour, but you can take only almond flour, only rice flour if you like. And I'm going to mix this. I've even added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And just mix till it's really just give it a really good mix till all the ingredients are mixed well. You can even scrape some of the ingredients if it's stuck at the side. Now I'm going to add 2 drops of yellow color and again give it a mix. Make sure you don't add too much of color, just a little bit is fine. And now I'm going to pour the batter. You can see how nice the batter looks right now before putting in for baking. I've used a small loaf tin, but you can even use a 6-inch loaf cake pan also. I'm baking it for 35 to 40 minutes. Now once that is baked, let's go towards the icing. I've taken icing powder sugar. You can take icing sugar. Then I've added a little bit of lemon juice to it. And now I'm going to take milk. Make sure that you add the milk little by little so that it doesn't get too liquidy also. Once your cake is baked, make sure it's cooled enough, and then you can pour the icing also on it. So I'm mixing the icing well so that there are no lumps left and it's just easy to pour on the cake. If you don't want to use lemon juice, you can even use vinegar if you like, or add vanilla essence also. Keep mixing so that there's no lumps left of the sugar, or if you're using the powdered sugar. It should not be too liquidy also. And now as you can see how well the cake is baked, it turns out to be really soft. Once it's cool enough, you can remove it from the cake pan and remove the parchment paper and then just pour the icing on it. If you don't want, you can just have it the same way if you like, but the icing just gives a really better taste to the cake. You can just see how soft the sponge looks and how soft the cake looks. Even tastes really good.